New insight into what links two of America's biggest health threats, heart disease and Alzheimer's. The common link may be a protein that builds up in your brain and your heart, causing damage. Good news, there are simple changes in how you eat and move that can keep you healthy. So pleased to bring in right now Dr. Chauncey Crandall, the director of Palm Beach Clinic of Preventative Medicine and Cardiology, the author also of the Heart Health Report. Dr. Crandall, welcome in on a Friday. So this protein, amyloid, is what it's called. Talk to us about the problems that it can cause and how we avoid them.
Well, Bianca, amyloid is an abnormal protein. All of us have proteins in our body. They float around, they're soluble, they can dissolve, but sometimes something goes wrong in the system, and many of these proteins aggregate together, or they turn into clusters or islands of abnormal proteins, and these are called amyloid. That's in simple explanation. But these deposits can cause harm, Bianca. They can deposit in the brain. And when that happens, it interrupts nerve function. It can lead to dementia. It can lead to Alzheimer's. And also these abnormal proteins can form in the heart, also giving disruption of heart function. So it's kind of a mixed disease. It can happen in many places, but the main concern is in the heart or the brain. And we can actually do things that can reverse this type of problem.
Yeah, that's the good news. So what are they? And obviously, we could start today.
Well, we can start today, and it's very simple. You know, this amyloid problem is often, it can be genetic, so we can't do anything about that, but it can be environmental and it can be due to toxicity. So the main thing that we can do is make sure that we have ideal body weight, because we know if you're overweight, that increases inflammation. You want to keep your cholesterol down because, again, that can increase inflammation that can lead to amyloid deposition. We want to stop smoking. Anything that we do that causes inflammation in the body can cause amyloid formation. So the best diet to be on, Bianca, is really the Mediterranean diet, because that is an anti-inflammatory diet, and anti-inflammatory diets will reduce amyloid deposition.
Great advice, great insight you provide every week, Dr. Crandall. And I know that you are an authority on this, so we are listening, and we will be shopping accordingly for those products now. Thank you so much for being with us.
Okay. Thank you, Bianca.
You bet. You want to know more? You can read all about it. Strong Heart, Sharp Mind. It is a 6-step program. Reversing heart disease helps prevent Alzheimer's. You can get this book and Dr. Crandall's Heart Health Report. It's a free offer from us here at Newsmax. Call the number you see there or go online and check it out today.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.